This video is going to show you how to grade assignments in Schoology. To do that, I'm going to show you using the exit ticket from our Nearpod session. So you click on the title of that and you'll see your submissions over here. When students have submitted late, it will show you when they've done that. It'll show you when it's on time. I intentionally left a due date on this assignment so that I could show you this view. In order to grade from this entry point in Schoology, I would click on the student's name, and then the assignment that they've submitted populates here. So Ms. Buckner submitted her link, so I can click that. It'll open it in a separate window, and now I'm able to see her student pace lesson. Click through. Great job, Ms. Buckner. And then over here, I'm able to provide the grade. I'm able to add a comment, and I can show it to the student. Then I can click on this little arrow right here, and it will take me directly to the next student submission in this class, which would be Ms. Bird. And then you can do the same process. If the student has submitted a Word document or a PowerPoint file, it will actually populate here. Or if they've created within the assignment, all of that would populate here. So that would be method number one. The second way is to go to your gradebook. August 12th exit ticket, I'm able to see right here. I can click on that icon and it'll open that student's work in a separate window. When you click within this bucket, it will automatically populate with your default grading scale, which for the purpose of this course is the official Yes Prep scale. So I can just click through, or you can type in their grade. As you're entering, you'll notice down here it's saving. It is updating as I'm entering grades for each student. So there's no need to save this individual page before navigating away because it is saving for me. So there you go.